Hello and welcome to a virtual walkthrough of the Audio Guys Institute Music Production courses. In this video, I'll be walking you through the various modules you will learn at TAG during your courses. Let's dive into the units. Next up is the DAW. Since this course is completely hands-on, we make sure every student gets early and practical exposure to a digital audio workstation. At TAG, we work extensively with Logic Pro X, one of the most widely used DAWs in the music industry. It is responsible for millions of hit songs thanks to its powerful feature set. Students are introduced to all the major software features, including music recording, production, sound design, processing, and mixing. Everything that defines a professional digital audio workstation. We then follow this up with focused shortcut and exercise sessions, along with one-to-one guidance. This helps students confidently navigate the DAW and perform essential tasks like setting up sessions, routing audio signals, writing automation, and managing projects efficiently and effortlessly. Students are also exposed to a wide range of plugins and virtual instruments, which are critical tools in modern music production. While the learning outcome may sound complex, it's designed to be simple and intuitive. At TAG, we expect our students to understand every element inside DAW, its function, and all key commands. Here, the DAW isn't treated just as a software. It's treated as an extension of your mind, and we help our students reach that level of mastery.